Hello everyone, I am Govalakan RS from Department of Education, 4th year Integrated BS Central University of Tamil Nadu. My topic is Tools for Disabled Students. In this topic, I took Kurzweil 3000 software. Let me see the small introduction about this software. This software is developed by Kurzweil Education, that is American based country, which is founded in 1996 by Ray Kurzweil. This Kurzweil education generally focus on technology softwares, which will be equipped for which will be focused for students with disabilities generally. This software is an educational technology, that is assistive technology software. This is an assistive technology software. This software is the leader, that is TTS means it is a teach to text software. It is a leader for that software, and this is not an open source software. Generally we will see many open source software, but this software is a paid one and we need to pay and we need to get this software. Let we see the home page of this software. Generally this software consists of many things, that is read, write, scan, and we have audio options also. We can have a hard copies and we can scan using scanner. If we have uh, a document in PDF mode or any other mode, we can directly read from this by uploading those documents. Many options are there. Then let we see the applications of these softwares. This is a reading, writing and study platform. Generally for this software helps us to read easy, as well as we can write in this software also. We can study many of the books, literature and many things. This software is mainly focused and aimed for the disability. The students or learners who are having disabilities, they can use this software. This software supports generally dyslexia, dysgraphia learners, because they were struggling to read those letters and to write. Sometimes they are struggling to write those letters. So it will help. This software will help them to uh, attain those skills. This software supports around 18 languages and some of the dialects also. This software has multiple voice, which voice is comfortable for us, we can set according to that voice. And also this software will check the spelling. If we write something, it will also check the spelling of that word, of that sentence too. These softwares have 40,000 words as a picture dictionary. That is, if we say some word, the students are not able to understand, it will show some of the pictures for that word to convey the meaning to the learners, that is learning with disabilities. It also supports visually impaired learners, because it it can convert the text files into audio files, so that the learners who are not able to see, that is physically impaired, sorry, uh, is visually impaired, they can get the, means they can hear the text via audio files, that is MP3 files or anything. That is, thank you.